are back in DREAMWEAVER, and I'd like to create a navigation bar at the top of my page here where we'll take some flash text and use them as simple rollovers right within this document. Now, to create flash text within DREAMWEAVER, you simply go into the Insert menu and you choose Interactive Images, Flash Text. What you're looking at here is the Insert Flash Text dialog, and all you need to do is choose a font from the Font menu. Keep in mind that when you work with flash text, you can only use TrueType fonts, so any TrueType font that's on your system will show up in this menu. I'm going to choose Arial, another good font for the screen. And from the Size menu, we'll choose a point size. I'll go ahead and choose a small point size of 12 points. Keep in mind that text is embedded within a Flash movie, and text is also what's called anti-aliased within your Flash movie, which means the edges of your letters are softened. So if you type a text size smaller than 12 points, just a word of warning, sometimes the text may appear illegible. So try to keep your text sizes larger at 12 points or larger. I'm also going to choose a color. Let's go in and choose a red color. I'll choose a deep red. We'll type our text, and we'll start out with, let's say, the word entertainment. That's one of the pages that will appear on our website, so we'll create a label for it on our navigation bar. And if you want to create a rollover color, you can do that as well. Now, you can either choose a preset color here within Flash, or within your swatches palette rather. You'll notice I can also use the eyedropper tool to pick up other colors on my screen. I'm going to pick up this blue color on my screen to match my color scheme. Now I have a rollover effect that I've simply created using flash text.